One last thing. I have discovered something as I was putting everything away and closing this case. As you can see here, let's zoom in. On this phone, which has iOS 16.7, which is the previous version, where we thought the Instagram problem started with iOS 17, right? This has Instagram installed the 3.02, which was released 1 week ago. Okay, let's look at the temperature of the phone first. 88, 87, everything is fine. I'm so mad. How come we missed this? So now I just go to my own Instagram account. I don't even have multiple accounts logged in. It's just this one. And let's just go to my own profile. Look at this. $95, $96, we're going up. So this was never iOS 17 issue. This was completely Instagram issue. And the thing that threw me off was, I don't know which app of Instagram started doing this, but I think it was at the time when I switched to iOS 17, and then maybe the next morning, because these apps update while the phone is charging, it updated to that app. So I started thinking that iOS 17 started this problem. We reached 100 degrees. I hope you can see this because I am not doing this again. So this was never iOS 17 issue. This phone has, as you can see, it has iOS 16 installed. And Instagram is just boiling this phone. I'm so bored right now. But it's over. So update your Instagram. I saw a couple of posts on Reddit that says, I updated iOS, but the social media still warms up my phone. Please tell them to update their Instagram. It was never the phone. It was never iOS 17. It was Instagram. All along, it wasn't even iOS 17. Okay. There's been a change in my breathing. Yeah. Right now I'm furious. 105, 106. We never realized this because, you know, as a tech reviewer, I was concentrated on the iOS 17 stuff. This is it. It's the final video. Okay.